What's up, Scab Wizards? Lancelot here, and today I've got a question for you. Have you ever gotten a tattoo that you just weren't quite happy with? A tat that when you look at it, makes you just want to fist bump some drywall real good? You know, just Well, you're not alone. So the other day I asked you guys to send me some photos on Instagram showing me the worst tattoos that you either have or have found online. Oh, it's gonna be good. That's right, folks. On today's episode, we're taking a field trip to your local tat temple and shine some light on those that dwell deep down in the darkness. And maybe, just maybe, see if we can fix them. Oh yeah. So while art is subjective and everyone's entitled to their own opinion, including me, so back off. Gosh. Everybody should be able to decide what's right for them and their bodies. But I think it's safe to say that if you got some of these tattoos on your body, you would not be so impressed. I mean, either that or you need to see an eye doctor, because clearly your eyeballs are f***ed. Alright folks, so let's break down some of the criteria that will make a tattoo not suck real bad. Let's do it. So the main thing that I usually go for is, you know, does it make you sharply inhale in pain when you look at it? Because that's generally a red flag for me. And you know, some other things would be, does it look anything like it's supposed to? Because if it doesn't, that's a red flag for me too. Yeah. Then there's some other stuff that no one really cares about. Like, I don't know.
Line consistency, texturing, movement and flow, beta relationships, color theory, light theory.
But we don't care about that stuff. And make sure you don't skip, because at some point in this video, I will reveal the ultimate tattoo cover-up technique that will easily get you out of any tricky cover-up situation. Facts. Oh snap. See, this is what happens when you talk your artist into doing your whole back for about 60 bucks. You get that saggy swoosh, some pretty ironic lettering. Makes me wonder why he got this piece to begin with. So what do you want to do today? That. You know, at least the tattoo is sort of clean, I guess, kinda. The black is, it's in there. The lettering is, you know, it's not the worst thing ever. No lines are where they shouldn't be, so it's got that going for it. What can I say? I'm just a glass half full kind of guy. Guilty. So how can we fix this one up a little bit, huh? I got it. Maybe this swoosh here, maybe that could be an inverted sickle. Yeah, smash some white all throughout it, make it pop, you know? You know how I do. And, oh yeah, this is what I'm thinking. I'm thinking, big old Grim Reaper right here. Blast it right over these letters, man. Maybe some of that extra space. We could put some scenery, maybe some bats, maybe some sky, some other cool evil shit to fill out the space. Check it out. Boom! And what do you know? Problem solved. Oh yeah. Oh, here we go. It's wankster time. Congratulations, Huckleberry Dope Boy. You played yourself. Every little one of these bammers looks like they're jacked up on Mountain Dew. Which Kyle did this to you? Damn it, Kyle. This tattoo is ironic as hell. Oh yeah. He got cash on his fingers, a bag of money with bills flying all around, and yet he managed to spend absolutely nothing on this tattoo. Oh yeah. He's gonna have this forever now. It's great. It's just good. That's the best part. Imagine him applying for a bank loan. Yeah, I get cheddar. Yeah, I got bread. Yeah, I got chips. Yeah, this is my cheddar. This is my bread ham. And I'm like, you know what I'm saying, homie? He's probably gonna have to black out his whole arm in 3 months at this rate. I like how there's like a drop shadow on this bag of money here, but it's just not filled in. Like the one thing that would have helped the design, and the artist was just like, yeah, fuck it, he won't notice. So how can we fix this one up? Finger tattoos are actually really hard to cover up properly because there's no space to do anything, you know? It sucks. But now, I will reveal the secret weapon that Scab Wizards have been using since the dawn of time to tackle the most horrifying of cover-ups. I give you the Black Panther. Ex-girlfriend's name? Slap a panther on it. That portrait of your kid that came out looking like Chunk from the Goonies? Slap a panther on it. Exhausted all your other options and just need to be rid of that god-awful ink? It's panther time! So let's see how this applies to our Huckleberry Dope Boy here. Nailed it. I got you, buddy. Sick. You know, for some reason, I like this tat. Yeah, it goes against flow. Yeah, okay, sure. The letters are, they're special. Yeah, okay. The spelling is, you know, immaculate. No regrets there. You know what? I feel like getting this tattoo would be like getting slapped in the face. Yeah, it sucks, but it just makes you feel so alive, you know? Ooh, you know, it'd probably be better though. What's that? You guessed it. It's Panther time. Oh yes, this is what I've been waiting for. You know, in tattooing we have a rule, okay? If you can't draw it, then maybe you shouldn't tattoo it. And when it comes to imitating patterns of brushes and different mediums, it gets even more, you know, interesting. So what in the hell happened here? Like, were you trying to tattoo it with a spoon or something? I think they were trying to go for that Crayola effect. Yeah, this isn't the time for finger painting, guys, okay? Come on, because now this poor girl has to live on forever with the memory of your tie-dyed failure. Just kidding. All fixed. Here we go. Here we have some moldy cookies. Yeah, and what? Yeah, oh, they're moons. Here we have some moon phases that really look more like half-eaten moldy cookies. Cookies. According to my lunar chart here, I was born in February, so that would make me, oh yeah, right here. Ah, yes, a piece of shit. You know, these clients always amaze me. Like, if I'm going to buy a sweet new Lamborghini, I don't go shopping at the dump. Come on, you know, I like how all the dots are like the same size. You know, that dark, bold, loose 7 needle just really emphasizes that bright glow of the moon, you know? It's really, oh yeah, big time. You know what's even better is all these little dots, they're gonna expand into each other in a year or two and really just complete that look of shit. So how can we cover this? I don't know, it's kind of tough. It's a tough one. What's that? What's that I hear? Oh, that's right, folks. It's Panther time. Oh, wait. What the actual fuck? So I have an appointment to get a Lady of Justice tattoo on my back. This one is actually causing me pain. You deserve so much better. It's okay. I'm here now. Like, come on, man. Couldn't even fix the design before you slapped it on there? The sword's not even straight in the stencil. You know you're allowed to use rulers in a stencil, right? Like, what's happening? What is happening? Well, the Earth's flat and the sun and the 5G conspiracy. I'm kind of confused. I'm not gonna lie. How do you post this tattoo and be proud? How do you post this at all? I don't get it. Come on, guys. If you don't feel comfortable doing a piece, then just don't do it. Pass it off to someone who, you know, would do a good job instead. Everybody will be happier that way. Everybody. Trust me. As for fixing this piece, there's really no way to bring her back from the dead. Her face is all gnarled up. Her lips are looking like she got a bad batch of Botox. The sword's wavier than a fucking spaghetti noodle on LSD at Veld. Does this guy even like have control over his own arms?
Break it off!
So to fix this one up, I think we're gonna need something a little special. Oh yeah, something that's really gonna make it pop. What would work well with this one? Oh, I know. Panther time. So these bangers here were actually sent to me by a client about 3 months ago, way before I started this channel. I like to stay in the loop, you know, keep my ear to the ground, so I can see who's putting nice stuff out of their studios, and who should probably stop immediately. You probably have a shop near you like this. You walk in wanting the easiest tattoo imaginable, and you end up leaving with a massive pile of regret, and a big dent in your bank account to match the one in your ego. Yeah, good lettering's not that hard to do, guys, come on, okay? Certain things are very important, you know? There's gotta be consistency. The widths should be the same, the fine lines should be consistent. That's how I do it. I don't know how these guys do it. Like, were they tattooing in a moving vehicle or something? I don't get it. And don't even get me started on that cabbage rose. Much better. Bruh. You know what? I don't even care. This may be the best tattoo I've ever seen. Oh yeah. Who's a nice doggy? Who's a good boy? Makes me so happy. Even if you asked for a realistic portrait of this dog and you got this tat, I couldn't even be mad, bro. Honestly, it's amazing. It's perfect. It's the perfect pity. So what do you guys think? Is this little guy a winner? Leave a comment below. Let's see what else we got. See, this is one of those pieces where it wasn't the tattoo artist that messed up. It was actually the client when they came up with the idea and then went through with it. If there was ever a crazy cat lady tattoo, like official tattoo, I think this would probably be the one. This would probably take the cake. I need a glass of wine after this one. Much better. Like, the bananas. What's going on with the bananas? And let's not forget the 4 cats. 4 cats. In her uterus. And it's well done too. Like, it's got movement, it's got depth, got dynamic color. Everything's solid, but like, this may be the best, most well done, cringiest tattoo that I've ever seen. I think so. We need more wine than this. That's about right. She's definitely one tough cookie though. For sitting through this piece, oh mama, I gotta say, respect to her for sure. You know, this tattoo isn't something that we really need to fix up. Obviously a lot of time and effort and pain went into the piece, but I mean, I guess we can make it a little better. Well, there you have it, folks. Some good, some bad, mostly bad though. You know what? Maybe I'm the one going blind, you know? Maybe it's me. That's gotta be it. Matter of fact, let me try something here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Nope, still horrible. There can't be that many bad tattoos out there, right? You know, try this. Before you head out for your next sweet walk-in banger, do yourself a favor. Take a quick look at that artist's portfolio. Otherwise, you may end up getting inked by Dumpster Fire Dave or Trash Fire Tina. And you're gonna have a bad time. And guys, listen, learning how to tattoo is hard, okay? It's hard as fuck. I'm not up here trying to put anyone down or imply that I'm the best tat wizard that the world's ever seen. That's not my groove, man. But if you're a newer artist and you don't feel comfortable with a piece, don't be afraid to pass on it. The main goal of tattooing, in my opinion, is to bring someone else's dreams for their body to reality. And if you're not giving them above and beyond what they've asked for, then, you know, maybe like, just don't do the tattoo and everybody wins. Yeah. And now, I have a confession to make. After over a month in lockdown, I still haven't been able to do any sick tattoos, man. And I don't think I'm gonna make it much longer. I think I'm dying from what they call STWS. Sick Tattoo Withdrawal Syndrome. And I spent all my rent money on this sweet new walk-in tattoo that I got. It's a newer shop. I didn't really check them out before I went in though. Is it sick? Very sad times. But there is something that you can do to help. Slap that like button. Make sure you're subscribed. Hit that bell. Make sure you're following me on Instagram to participate in the next video and to check out some of the cool tattoos I get to do on people like you. Maybe you're in the market for a cover-up, who knows? Always posting funny stuff on there. Make sure you leave a comment down below. It really helps me out. And if you had a laugh here, make sure you check out some of my other videos. So until the next episode, I'll catch you on the flip side. Peace and love. Yeah, I get cheddar. Yeah, I got bread. Yeah, I got chips. Yeah, this is my bread ham. And I'm like, you know what I'm saying?